of the best things that I like about the Talks in the Pines is the camaraderie that is developed between people who come to visit us here in Merlin, Oregon. I have heard so many people share their joy at finding like-minded, kindred spirits that understand and seek the same things that they do.
What I love about Talks in the Pines is the message that Guy has sent to us, and he makes it so simple that we can all understand it. He puts it in practical terms, and this is a time to really study yourself and to learn to love life and to love the spiritual life.
Something that I've noticed is very interesting to be able to come to the foundation is to be able to share other people's experiences about the work, to listen to their thoughts, their experiences really allows me to learn more about the work and myself.
Last year was my first year, and it was incredible. It's such an amazing chance to get together, not just with Guy, but with a bunch of other people who have been studying this work for a long time, and you can ask all the questions you want to ask, and you can have some amazing transformative conversations that you won't have anywhere else in the world.
It's just a wonderful experience, and I do everything that I can to make it each and every year.
Every year that I've come to Talks in the Pines, I learn something different. I see something new. No 2 years are ever the same. There are so many things that you get that you can't really even describe. It's just in full immersion into an environment where you are nurturing your intellect, your heart, your soul, your body. It's just sort of as Guy likes to say, an all-contact sport. You get a little bit of everything.
What I love about TIPS is we have this big group of people that come from all over the world to listen to these talks, and we have this incredible truth teacher here as well, and we get to bathe in the energy for 5 days, and that experience can't be put into words. It has to be experienced, and I look forward to it every year.
If you're thinking about coming to TIPS, the Talks in the Pines, I will tell you, this trip will change you. It will change you like nothing else can. No other trip, go to Europe, go to Switzerland, go wherever you want. It might be fun, but it won't change your heart. This can change your heart. It'll change your life.